Are you looking for a simple and delicious way to supercharge your mornings? We have the perfect solution: oatmeal. The first meal of the day is often dubbed the most important, and for good reason. It sets the tone for the rest of your day, and what better way to start it off than with a bowl of nutritious and tasty oatmeal? Brimming with soluble fiber, oatmeal is a digestive system's best friend, aiding in smooth operations and promoting overall gut health. But the benefits don't stop there. This humble grain is also a heart hero. The same fiber that keeps your tummy happy also works wonders for your heart, helping to keep cholesterol levels in check. And if you're thinking, well, that sounds good, but what about taste? Don't worry, the beauty of oatmeal lies in its versatility. You can mix and match with endless toppings and flavorings to keep things exciting. With oatmeal, you're not just having a meal, you're investing in your health. But the benefits of oatmeal don't stop at fiber. Let's dive deeper. Oatmeal is truly a breakfast superstar, a powerhouse that keeps you charged through the day. Packed with complex carbohydrates, oatmeal steadily releases energy, keeping you active and alert. It's like a morning cheerleader for your body, boosting your day with vitality. Then there's the satiety factor. Oatmeal plays a friendly trick on your stomach, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. It's a clever way to keep those mid-morning snack cravings at bay, supporting your weight management goals. And let's not forget the heart. The soluble fiber in oatmeal works hard to lower LDL cholesterol levels, acting as a shield against heart disease. It's your heart's best friend, truly. But oatmeal isn't just about health. It's a canvas of taste, ready to be painted with your favorite flavors and toppings. It's versatile, it's delicious, it's never boring. So, are you ready to make oatmeal a part of your morning routine? Reap the rewards of a healthy and satisfying breakfast and start your day right.